Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we are able to sort the first name, last name, and the employee ID using the sort option. I can select the column A and choose the sort option here. I can select the sort option here, which will sort from lowest to highest. Basically, it is going to sort the data from A to Z. So it is asking me to expand the selection. Yes, I wanted to expand the selection of all these three columns A, B, and C. The first name, the last name, and the employee ID will be sorted. I will click on sort. You are able to see the first name, last name, and the employee ID has been sorted from alphabetical order A to Z. The same function, whatever we did, sorting, we can use the sort function. I will use the sort function equals sort and select the range of cells. I will select the range of cells and close the bracket. Whatever we did using the sort option here, we are able to sort using the function. And this is the function what we have used to sort the first name, last name, and employee ID. Now, I wanted to use another option to sort. Just by sorting the first name and the last name, I don't want to do it. I wanted to use some other option. Let us try the other option. I will delete this and I will do the Ctrl Z so that I have my previous data back. I will select the job title or university. I will select the job title. I will copy. I wanted to sort by job title. I will use the sort by function, then open the bracket, then select the range of cells. I have selected the range of cells. Then I will use the comma again. Within this range of cells, I wanted to use the job title for my selection. Basically, I wanted the job title to be sorted in an alphabetical order starting from lowest to highest, which is alphabetical order A to Z. I will select the range of cells. Then I will go to the formula again. Now you have an option either to choose 1 for ascending order or -1 for descending order. I will select 1 for ascending order, which is A to Z, and close the bracket. I am able to sort the given data with the job title. So I'll copy this. So now I am able to sort the data with the job title with ascending order starting from alphabetical order A to Z. Now you are able to see the accountant is at the top, and you can see it goes on B, C, like that. So I'll copy the entire data again, Ctrl C, and paste it with the values without the formulas. So now using the sort by option, I have sorted the data using the job title option. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share. Thank you and take care.